What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And that's right, it's Mukbang Mondays, and me and my daughter are going to be munching on some good old food. So if you want to see what we're going to be munching on and you want to eat with us, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, it's Mukbang Mondays, Mukbang Mondays. And me and my daughter, we are going to be doing a, what is it? It's a cucumber sausage and rice challenge. This is something that Eat with Kim. Eat with Kim always has her sausage, rice, and her cucumbers. And we're doing a new No Utensils challenge. So we're going to be eating with our hands. Yes. So we have some Bloveslife sauce on deck, and we got some soy sauce on deck. This is a family recipe. Got some vinegar and stuff in there, some spicy stuff in there, you know what I'm saying? So it's a nice little sauce. So we're going to dig right in because we hungry.
Yeah. So
let's get a sausage.
Yeah.
And you want to dip? I'm going to dip it in this one first.
I want to try the soy sauce.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna bite. Some rice. That is delicious. That's delicious today. Back in there, sauce.
Very good.
Right.
I like the vanilla sauce.
It was really good. It reminds me of a dish that my stepmom used to make. She passed away, but she used to make this Thai beef salad. And it has cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions. And you make it with steak and stuff like that. And it's really, really good and spicy. I can't seem to get the recipe right, but I'm still trying to work on that. And then when I go to restaurants, they don't never make it the same way my stepmom made it. Alright, I'm going to try the soy sauce one. That is delicious. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, both of these sauces is really, really good.
Yeah.
So I love watching Eat with Kim. I really do. And B-Love did the No Utensils challenge. So I was like, okay. I just get that going. Great combination, y'all. Great combination. Come on down. Bloveslife. Look at them. So good. You like it? Good, huh? Very good. I'm getting some more rice. You guys don't know. But I've been listening to you guys' suggestions. We got the food up closer. How do you guys like it? Or is it better? Let me know in the comment section. That soy sauce is smacking. Mm-hmm. This is good. Got me doing the happy dance. Y'all just don't know.
Look at that. Nice.
Really good, huh? Oh my gosh, I've been watching this new person. They new to me. Doing mukbangs. Nikocado avocado. His name just intrigued me. I was like, oh my god. I was like, such a cool name. And I just started kind of watching some of his mukbangs, and I was like, oh, okay. He's got high energy and Have y'all tried eating the sausage and cucumber and rice or anything of that nature? Let me know down in the comment section. This is really, really good. It's a really good combination.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Mm-hmm. And we was hungry, y'all.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. We went by the pet store today. My daughter wants to get a what?
A guinea pig.
A guinea pig. So we went looking at some guinea pigs today.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
They're really adorable. But there's one that we saw and it had like legs and then and I didn't know what it was and it was a guinea pig. A different type.
I'm getting full, you guys. This is really good. This kind of reminds me.
That.
So good. Killing it, you guys. Killing it. And actually, we did good with the No Utensil challenge. We eat with our hands already. Pretty much all the time. So, yeah. That is so delicious. Oh my god. Oh, I had just got my Ipsy bag the other day. When was that? Yesterday, Saturday. Got my Ipsy bag. I posted up a video of the unboxing because it came really, really late because I had got my box, my Glam Plus box, like a week and a half before this came, and I was like, ooh, okay. But I opened that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked down below in the card. Ooh, excuse me. So I'll have that link down in the description box for y'all to check out. You can see what within August is boxed. It was an okay box. It was nice. Nothing for me to be like, oh my god, but it was nice. Okay, so that's all I have to say about that. Go on and check the video out if you want to see what other fellow mukbangers you guys like to watch on YouTube. Right now, mine is the Nikocado avocado. Eat with Kim. I like Eat with Q. Steph and Tosh. And who you like, baby girl?
Trace of Connection.
Okay.
And Ryan and Sephora.
Ryan and Sephora.
No,
Okay.
not Ryan. Ryan. I can't pronounce her name.
Okay.
It's like a Ryan. It's like Ryan at first, but then it's like adds another. And
Ryan.
I think that is. Yeah. It's a mother and daughter channel.
Okay.
They like to do mukbangs and do seafood animators. Oh, and I also like our mukbangs.
Okay.
Super good.
Yeah, but I'm about to be venturing out, checking out some more mukbangers
Me
and
too.
see what's going on out there. I'll let you take the reign in the kitchen and make your own version of something.
Yeah, I can make my own version of everything.
We learning how. Y'all. We at the beginning stages. Mac and cheese.
That's really easy. It is really easy to cook.
Putting stuff in the oven.
I know how to bake cookies.
And I think we're gonna like venture on into like eggs, spaghetti.
I know how to make eggs too.
And stuff like of that nature.
I think I know how to make it. I just never made it before.
Yeah, if y'all didn't know, I have a complex with fire. So I've had a house fire and it started with the stove and we lost everything. Had to start over with scratch with the 1 and 2 year old. And so anybody touching the stove, I damn near have a heart attack. So, but I know my baby, she wants to cook. She wants to learn how to cook and I want her to be able to cook. So I'm excited and, you know, to start this new chapter and nervous at the same time. So pray for me, y'all. Pray for me, okay? So
I want to cook for everybody.
I know, because cooking's fun, especially like when you're making something and you see everybody enjoying your food. It's like, yes, it's
and
very
then
nice.
like if Jakar learns how to cook, we can take turns cooking. Like, you know how some people do like take turns like which day people are cooking? That'd be good. But I will cook all the time.
So we signed up. I had signed up for it's box. It's called Radish, where they send you once a month 3 recipes from different places around the world for your kids. It comes with like a little apron, utensil, little storybook guideline questions and stuff about the region that you're learning how to cook certain foods from, and yeah, go from there. And we got our first box this month, so we're going to be testing that out and seeing how that goes and going from there. And she going to become a little chef. Maybe be on the Food Network one day cooking it up.
Yeah.
So that's all we have for this video. I'm full. She's getting full. So yes, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.